Well, hello, Nova. Are you eating? Yeah? Alright, tonight we're doing savory pot roast. You guys like my sign? Parking only. Anyway, savory pot roast. First, I gotta use the microwave. It's a mess right now. 1 second. Savory pot roast. It's better than not eating anything. Time code 200. I'm not even hungry, but I need to eat. See my toy car collection? That's my Lamborghini. It's my little Subaru truck. Wicked cool. There's my Chevy, 83 Chevy pickup. Yeah. What else? What else? What else? This one. 69 Chevelle. That's pretty cool. What else we got? Mitsubishi Eclipse. One of those. That's a lowrider. Dodge Viper. Toyota Celica. Yeah. Alright, my food's done. Enough with the cart. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, dang it. Dang it. Ouch. Dang it. Oh, that's hot. Oh, hot. I guess I'll just leave it there. Yum. Self a spoon. Just dig in right here, because why not? There. That's all. Here. Get myself a cookie for dessert. These cookies were made by a gal named Bonnie. She left them for me while I was doing some driving around the other day. Little peanut butter cookies. So, whatever. They're alright. Hey, Ma. Hope you enjoyed it.